Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. In this video, we are going to talk about Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is to be available via open sale from December 12 this month. Let's have a look. Last month, Xiaomi unveiled its Redmi Note 6 Pro smartphone in India. The mid-ranger, which succeeds the hugely popular Redmi Note 5 Pro, has been made available for purchase a few times via flash sales since it was launched. However, if you couldn't manage to add one to your shopping cart earlier, we have got news for you. Xiaomi has announced that starting December 12 p.m., the Redmi Note 6 Pro will be available for purchase 24/7 via open sale. The news was announced by Redmi India's official Twitter account via tweet. This means no more waiting and no more hitting that buy button furiously. All you have to do is head over to Flipkart or Xiaomi's India's website and purchase the smartphone. Even though the Redmi Note 6 Pro is largely an incremental upgrade, it packs in quite a few improvements over the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC, paired with 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It has a 6.26-inch Full HD notched display with a resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels and a 19:9 aspect ratio. There is Android 8.1 Oreo on board with the MIUI overlay backed on top. For imaging, Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro has a dual lens camera system at the back, comprised of a 12 megapixel unit and a 5 megapixel unit. Interestingly, it has a dual lens camera setup on the front as well, made up of a 20 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor. All standard connectivity options are included, with the 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support rounding off the spec sheet. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 and its availability. Go ahead and purchase this wonderful device and tell us in the comments below how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World and hit the bell icon as well for future video updates. Till the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.